can we just create another, just go back there to your package explorer and let's go to the lab and go to package print. So can we just create another new class? I'm sure you did. Okay. Print between numbers 2. Okay. And try that and say finish. Can I just go back to the first version there? I'm going to copy something there. Before I copy, what about just finish the skeleton as I did on the board? Okay. So now I know that I'm going to need this. Scanner input is assigned to new. Scanner system.end. That's what I'm going to need to read the input. Okay. So now let's say that we have a Boolean, just like how we did for the echo program. We can say Boolean user wants to continue. And we say that initially that should be true, right? So to guarantee, we can at least enter the loop for the very first time. Okay. While user wants to continue like this. Okay. So now we're gonna do, do what we did in print between numbers 1. I'm going to do the copy and paste in just a moment, but why don't we just finish the new bits first before we do the copy and paste. So now at the end of each repetition, we're going to ask the user, would you like to continue, right? So we can say system.out.println. Would you like to continue printing? Would you like to continue printing? Okay, I'll just say either Y or N. Okay, you can make it maybe more fancier if you like. Okay, that'll be good enough. And we're going to read it from the user. String user. Let's say answer. How about answer? It's assigned to input.next line. That's what we can get from the user, right? So now, how do we decide, right? So now let's try this. We can say that if the user says Y, then that means they want to continue. If user says N, that means they do not want to continue. Let's just make the assumption that they're going to say either Y or N. Okay, there's only 2 possibilities. Okay, you can handle a little bit more complicated case later. If the answer dot equals, remember we're comparing strings, dot equals Y, that means user wants to continue is assigned to true. Okay, I'll make it a little bit easy for you. Okay. Otherwise, user wants to continue is false. I think that'll be good enough. Let's not worry about simplification as we talk in the lecture today. Okay, let's make it just straightforward for you. That's kind of the new bits we have to extend. Okay. Apart from that, we can simply just reuse the code from the first version. Okay. Let's before I do the copy and paste, can we just look at the new bits again, right? So here you can see we are adding a while loop, which means we're going to keep doing something until user wants to continue becomes false. It is initially true. It will only be set false if the user enters N, which means it's not Y. Right? That means I don't want to continue. And one more thing, because if they do not want to continue, we're going to say bye, right? We can say system.out.println. Like that. Okay? So now let's do some copy and paste. And let's be a little bit careful here. Can we just go to version 1 from the previous problem? What I really want is this. I want you to copy from this line here, starting from enter a lower bound. Okay? Do not copy this one. We got it already. So do not copy this one. Okay? Starting from print line, enter a lower bound until the end of the else. That one there. Copy. Okay? Edit. Copy. Go to print between numbers 2 and paste it there. So now we have some if inside a while. which means every time when we are trying to repeat a selective action, either print error or print the numbers. At the end of the repetition, we're going to ask the user, would you like to continue? If yes, continue. No, bye-bye, right? Something like that. Okay, paste. And if the indentation doesn't look right to you, you can Control A, Control I. Okay. Okay, I think that would do. Okay. One more thing to fix. I need to fix for my case. Since now we have a mix of next int and next line, I want to make sure after every next int, I have input dot next line, as you learned from assignment 1, right? Don't forget. Okay, I need these two. I believe that's it. Let's try. If I try that, enter lower bound. If I say 20, upper bound 19, error, would you like to continue? You see, it doesn't really just terminate. It asks me if I want to continue or not. If I say yes, I want to continue, enter lower bound. 10, 15. Print out 10 to 15. Would you like to continue? Let's say I want to continue once more. What about yes? And then 20 to 20. Well, just 20. Easy. Would you like to continue? No. Bye-bye. You can see, I think that when maybe it'll be worthwhile just to watch the video for the part where right before I do the copy and paste to see exactly the extension I made. That's kind of the extension you want to make a plan about on the board before you try each problem in assignment 3. I made it such that for each problem you have to make some slight extension, so to really see how the things work to make your program better. Any question about this? Okay, so let's see now.